French manufacturer of CNC machines since 1994, Mecanumeric masters all machining and cutting technologies such as high-speed milling, pure or abrasive water jet, laser, vibrating knives, as well as the complementary technologies of turning, diamond polishing and thermoforming. It is in Albi, south of France, on a land of more than 40,000 square meters, with a building of more than 13,000 square meters, that most of our activities take place, from design to production of the machines, not forgetting customer service and support services. Thanks to our sales network in France and abroad, there are more than 14,000 Mecanumeric machines set up in more than 65 countries, in a multitude of sectors such as plastics, aeronautics, signs, POS and signage, construction, medical, mechanical. ISO 9001 certified, we develop and produce our range of machines to generate complete satisfaction for our customers, who can test the products in our demonstration and testing center. Our research and development department specialized in mechanics, electronics, automation and industrial IT designs, develops and industrializes our future equipment in line with the expectations and needs of our customers. Our machines are manufactured in our workshop, covering more than 10,000 square meters area thanks to the know-how and the experience of our staff, who have at their disposal modern and up-to-date technology production tools. It is in the cutting and welding workshop that the chassis of our machines can take shape. These structural elements are then stabilized, treated, and painted in our large-scale cabins. Our machining center can produce all the necessary parts for the manufacturing of the machines, from small turning and milling parts to very large welded structures. We have portable and fixed dimensional control systems, three-dimensional measuring machine, laser, ball bar, which guarantees an optimum precision level. The electrical cabinets are entirely designed and wired internally by our team of electricians. Once assembled and mounted, our machines come to life thanks to the work of our automation specialists, and then are tested one by one before being shipped all over the world. Our care of service of more than 25 sedentary and mobile technicians is at our customers' disposal to guarantee quality of service with the best possible reactivity. If there is a need after the setting up phase on the customer's site, which is always carried out by our technicians, our hotline team provides a rapid remote troubleshooting most of the time. Obviously, if it is necessary, our itinerant technicians or a technician from our network of partners can intervene in France and abroad within a short amount of time. Thanks to our modern and spacious QualiOP certified training center and our team of specialists, we provide various technical trainings that enable our customers to make the most of their equipment. As nothing is possible without the right tool, our online shop offers a 24/7 solution for supplying tools, consumables, spare parts and others independently and at the best prices. Our expertise, our quality of service and our various tailored technical solutions are what make Mecanumeric a unique partner at your service.